In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix cannot process your request error on PayPal. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so this error is usually accompanied by this message: we are sorry, your request cannot be processed at this time. Please try again later. Now, if you are receiving this, most likely it's because there is a glitch with your PayPal account or the app you are using or the browser. For that, you need to go to the browser you are using. If you are on Chrome browser, you will need to clear browser history by going to delete browser data here before you can try and log into PayPal again. So if you are transacting, you should now be able to do so. However, if it is still not possible, you can try it with your app, and if the problem is on the app, then you also need to clear PayPal app browser history. So to clear PayPal app browser data, to do that, just go to PayPal and long press on it, and you should see app info or a settings gear. Just tap on it to access PayPal app info page. At this point, head to clear data and then choose clear cache, and finally OK. Once you have cleared the space, now restart your smartphone and then try using your PayPal account, and everything now should be OK. However, if you can't still transact or use your PayPal account at this point, then you want to ensure that there is no VPN turned on your smartphone or on your browser if you are on computer. However, if the problem still persists, then there might be a problem with PayPal server, and for that you'll need to try it after some time. So give it like 5 minutes or 10 minutes before you try. And using any of these methods, now everything should be working properly. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.